G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is just have a bit of a look at the Elita Pure benchtop water filter by Alkaviva, okay? As you can see, we've got some batteries here. We're going to install those for the LED light indicator. We'll put the cartridge in, show you how easy it is to quickly connect up onto the benchtop, and we'll do a quick pH test just so you can see that they really do work well at elevating the pH of the water, okay? So first up, we've got a couple of batteries there. Here's the filter, and this is one of the reasons that I like this thing, because you can just click a couple of buttons on the top and the back just comes off. Very, very easy to operate, okay? We've got two batteries and they work the LED indicator on the top there. So we just pull out this little plastic holder on the back, in with our batteries, and then we just push him back on, okay? Once you push him on, you can see there's a bit of a light flash on the top. Now up underneath here is a little red button, and what we're going to do is press that red button, hold it on for 5 seconds, and it will flash when it's reset. There we go, 5 seconds and it's flashed, it's reset and it's good to go. So we do that every time we're replacing the cartridge. Now this is another thing that's just great about this, is how easy it is to replace the cartridge, okay? So basically, we just push him in there like so. You can see the little, get it center, got a little lever on the bottom, and we just move that lever around, and we lock him in place. That's it, cartridge is in, okay? To take it out, same way, pull the lever off, pull the cartridge down and out. There's the cartridge. To replace him, we just put him in, get that lever lock, push it round into place, and it's locked. Batteries are in, cartridge is in, put the casing back on the bottom. Once again, just clicks up into place very nicely, okay? So we'll spin him around. Okay, same as any other benchtop water filter diverter. This is how they come supplied, good quality lever style diverter, okay? Female thread to go onto a female threaded tap faucet thread, or there's always a couple of different adapters, different sizes, or if it's male, or if it's a male thread. So we've got a female diverter here, and we're just going to simply screw off the aerator off the end of our tap. Okay, that'll allow us to screw on. Make sure you got your black washer inside, and then we're going to screw that straight onto our diverter, okay? That's pretty simple. That's simple as it is, and we're just going to spin him around. Okay, that'll always spin. Sometimes you want to put a tool on there, give it a nip up, don't want any air leaking, get him up nice and tight, okay? Don't need the male adapters today because we just got a nice normal female thread, okay? The hose can be cut to length. You can spin it around, put him however we want him to go on the system, how it fits nicely, okay? Now with the filter, as you can see underneath, we've just got this little John Guest connection. That can be moved, comes out this side here, it can be moved and come on a straight angle, or it can also nip out this other side, depending on the positioning where you're going to put it on the bench. When you've worked that angle out, it's just a normal push-in John Guest connection, and it's going to go in about 1.5 centimetres, and we just push him straight in, and you'll feel it go in, it'll push in and a lock, and that will not come out. The only way you'll get that out is to push the collar in. Once that collar's pushed in on the fitting, it'll pull straight out. Very easy. Push him in and he's locked in. That will not come out, that's locked in and solid. As you can see, it sits there nicely. Then when we get him and lift him up, there we go, it's sitting in position, very good, ready to go. Okay, now from there, we can basically just turn on the tap. You'll see it's going to flow into the sink there nicely. Okay, then we can just lift up the diverter, and what that's going to do is push the water around to the filter. As with any filter, when you first start it up, put the new cartridge in, you want to give it a flush. I'd be giving this a flush at least for 5 minutes, okay? So you can get a jug, put a jug underneath, press the button on top, It'll cough and splutter a bit to start because there's a bit of oxygen still in the system, etc. But as you can see, the water's just pouring into the jug. It's quite a good flow rate. When the jug's full, press the button and turn him off. Okay? We'll do a couple of... Okay? You see that the water's coming through nicely now. The oxygen's out of the filter. And we've got a nice flow flowing through the system there now, okay? There's a few litres through there already, okay? So as you can see, very simple design, very simple to use. Just the press of a button and you're good to go, okay? I'll just do a quick little pH test here, just so as you can see how well they do elevate the water. Okay, so this is just normal water. Just got about 15 mils of water there. And we put in a little bit of the solution. pH drops. Oop. As you can see, it's a little bit yellowy greeny. So we're looking at about a 7 pH, bit below 6.8 pH there, okay? And we'll tip that one out there. Give it a quick wash out. Get some water out of this one. Whoop. A roll there. As you can see, folks, an amazing difference in a very short amount of time. So if you want the high pH water, this is going to be about 9.5 pH water to start this system. As you can see, it took it from 6.5, 7 pH straight up to 9, 9.5. It elevates the water very well. It has a good flow rate. It has good filtration, and they're very easy to use, assemble, change the cartridges, everything like that. So if you think this is the one for you, take a look, and good luck to you. Thanks very much.